This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the tailgate, then remove the luggage compartment side cover to access the toolkit and vehicle jack. As a precaution, place chocks each side of the rear wheel diagonally opposite the wheel being removed. Lift the floor panel and prise out the plastic cap. Rotate the winch nut anti-clockwise and lower the spare wheel. Disengage the lifting lug from the spare wheel. Using the special anti-theft wheel nut adapter where necessary, slacken each of the wheel nuts half a turn. On models with air suspension, ensure that the suspension is set to the off-road height. Engage the jack head pin with the corresponding hole in the vehicle chassis adjacent to the punctured wheel. On models with steel coil spring suspension, position the jack under the jacking point on the relevant suspension lower arm. Rotate the jack handle clockwise and raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Fully unscrew the nuts and remove the wheel. Align the hole with the studs in the hub, then refit the wheel. Refit and lightly tighten the wheel nuts. Rotate the jack handle anti-clockwise and lower the vehicle to the ground. Tighten the wheel nuts securely. Feed the lifting lug through the centre of the punctured wheel, then rotate the winch nut clockwise and raise the wheel into place. Refit the plastic cap and the floor panel. Don't forget to remove the wheel chocks. Stow the vehicle jack and refit the trim panel.